Okay, let's go. Hi, I'm Sarah and this is Nicola, and we're going to take you through our latest project on our transactional data set. We're going to take you through how we went about it, what we took into consideration, and how we went about launching it, as well as successes and lessons we learned along the way. First, a bit about us. We're Holiday Extras. We're the UK's market leader in travel extras, with airport hotels, parking and lounges as some of our core offerings. We make arrangements for 7 million travellers every year. We've been working with Looker since October 2014. We have over 250 users accessing it every month. They have created 1,200 dashboards and 2,000 looks, and they have access to both generic and bespoke data sets. The aim of the project was to bring together our many transactional data sources to speed up the performance and to improve the access to the data. We were looking to deliver one core table to access with standardised terminology, combining our many businesses and products, which was going to, in order to simplify and speed up the experience, we extracted the complexity away to the ETL process. One of the challenges is that our business is dynamic and we need to adapt and change with the business priorities. Our data is stored in many tables with different structures, and a combined view is difficult to achieve. Another challenge was a limitation with our existing data warehouse. Our first version we delivered on Redshift, which allowed us to iterate quickly and make the data available to the business. We've done this before, we've got previous versions, so we were able to take our learnings as to what was important and what could be excluded. We built in the business strategy, understanding where the business was heading and what metrics we needed to support this. We created a list with our key business stakeholders, understanding what they wanted, as well as building in features that we knew were important. We used the business strategy to build in metrics and dimensions, which would be key to both current and future reporting. By introducing a customer ID, we now have a quick and easy way to measure our return customer rate. This allows us to see how well we're growing our new customer base. As knowledge of our customer grows, so will our customer table.
Trip ID was a brand new concept to our business. This was a way of us tying multiple bookings relating to the same customer trip. This was moving away from just counting bookings, and it provided a very easy way for us to look at our most popular product combinations. So we used Looker for agile development. So we used table calculations to test out measures before committing this to the Looker Mail, and we used the Looker Mail to test out new features before pushing this back to our ETL process. So this allowed us to iterate quickly. An example of this is when we introduced a new product dimension. So we added the logic into the Looker Mail to allow us to get quick feedback from the business. Once everyone was happy, we pushed this back to the table as an additional data point to make it available to all the business. To launch our data set, we created a number of documents, and this included a light data dictionary. We're looking to enhance this using the Looker API. And we also used Looker to provide examples of how the data set could be used. In addition, we ran some small sessions with the business. We showcased new concepts and features through dashboards in Looker, and we held technical sessions to go through the data sources and the logic behind some of the processes in the background. We are seeing the adoption of our data set grow across different teams in the business, and this is generating more requests for new features as the understanding across the business grows. And we're also working with the business to get alignment on key terminology. We're using summary tables, which has made it a lot easier for our end users to get access to the data. And we've added a session ID, which allows easy reporting between our web and transactional data that was previously limited. Our 3 takeaways from this project have been the ability to be able to pivot to keep up with our fast-paced business, sharing regularly and listening to feedback from our key stakeholders, and introducing audit dashboards in Looker so that we can be confident in data integrity. Up next, we are looking to expand the data set to cover other business areas, and this includes enriching them with additional financial measures, and this will give us a much more comprehensive view of our business. And we're also working with the exec team to get this added into our weekly and monthly reporting. So the future, we're very excited about this and where this is going to lead us. So we're looking to move into BigQuery to allow us to do more in-depth analysis. Thank you for listening. If you've got any questions, please come and find us after.